Did you know we have a whole team of technical support specialists? Their primary role is to install and train customers on printers they buy from IT Supplies, as well as to offer technical support to our entire customer base. I'm Jeff with IT Supplies, and today we'll dive into what makes our techs and install experience different. Picture this. You do a bunch of research and finally decide what printer to buy. And to make sure you're getting a good deal, you do a little shopping around and suddenly you realize you can buy the same printer from 5, 10, 15 different places. And even better, the price is the exact same everywhere you go. So how do you decide who to buy your printer from? I'd suggest a key component of any printer purchase is the install and training offered by the company you buy your printer from. And today, I'm going to give you a short overview on some of the ways IT Supplies sets itself apart when it comes to our technical support team and the install and support service we offer our customers. The last thing you want when you get a printer installed is a tech that isn't familiar with the technology or your needs. Prior to installing any equipment, our techs go through rigorous training and certification from both the manufacturer as well as from our own technical services management team. On top of that, prior to any install, you will get a call from the tech assigned to the installation of your equipment. The goal of this call is to ensure the tech coming on site understands your specific environment and is prepared to deliver an install that exceeds your expectations. Another issue is having nowhere to turn when something goes wrong with your equipment or software. To help with that, we offer free remote support to our customers for as long as you own your printer. You can call us or email us at techs@itsupplies.com. Lastly, we know that a printer is often just a portion of what you have in your shop and only one of the tools you use to create finished products. To that extent, we make sure our techs are trained and certified on all the leading RIP softwares used to run printers, as well as many of the different accessories used as part of your workflow. This includes things like cutters, laminators, pre-treaters, and heat presses. So I hope this was helpful and gives you some insight into how the technical support and installation experience at IT Supplies is different. So stop shopping around. Get your next printer from IT Supplies.